Oh cherry, oh baby, don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, then why don't you try me? I will never let you down. I will never make you wear no frown. If you say that you love me madly, oh baby, I will accept you gladly. Yeah man, this is Eric Donaldson saying, stand up and stand firm. We teach them.
I am here vibing with a man who is one of the most prolific exponents of Jamaica's cultural music. A man who has sung his way into the hearts of many generations of Jamaicans down the years. His parents named him Eric Donaldson, and today he shares his story. Sir Donaldson.
Yes, I.
Great man.
Yeah, man.
All is well, sir?
Yeah, man.
It's a joy, brother.
Same.
Give thanks. Mr. Festival.
All right.
OD. The great man.
Right.
Pick up yourself, man.
This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. I will never leave the shores. I will never run away. I will always believe in the black with green, the gold. I say, teach them. One love, one heart, one destiny, one God.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
So Father Donaldson, say all is well, sir?
Yes, man, so far.
Giving thanks?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. As me say, it's a joy. Here, sir?
Seen,
Growing up, seeing them on my TV, hearing them on my radio. It's a joy to sit down with the man and all the reason, you know.
Right.
Talk to us, though. Early life, place of birth.
You know, man, born in St. Catherine, you know.
St. Catherine.
A town up the road called Pleasant Hill. Yeah.
Pleasant Hill?
Yeah.
How far from where we are now?
About 2 miles up the road.
So about 2 miles from Kent Village?
Yeah.
So that is where you grew up, or you actually grew up in Kent Village?
Well, I grew up in Kent Village, you know. Well, right now I grew up in like 3 different places.
Places.
I was born in Pleasant Hill, and then I spent a couple of years in St. Mary with my father, wife, and then I come back to Bagwalk.
Oh, where
Then
in
I
St.
come
Mary?
to Bagwalk, then back to Kent Village.
Back to, okay. Where in St. Mary you spent some time?
Highgate.
Highgate. How many brothers and sisters?
Well, I have to go on my finger to count them.
Daddy didn't go all right.
Yeah, my father was a very good counter, you know.
He was a very good counter. Yeah.
But so far, I can identify 4 brothers and 3 sisters.
Oh, that's a bad man. 7.
But there are more.
There are more. All your siblings still around?
Yeah.
All the ones that you know, your brothers and sisters, are still around?
Man, still around.
Give thanks, man. It's a joy, that man. It's a blessing, that man.
Yeah, man.
Mommy and daddy, by any chance, still around?
Oh, father gone alive, my mother gone behind her.
Okay. My condolences.
Yeah, man.
Where did you attend school?
Crescent Primary.
That was it for school? Just Crescent Primary?
Just Crescent Primary. I am time in school, I just study till you reach 6th grade, or if you want to take some exam for go other places, you could do it. But I go school until I reach the 6th grade.
The 6th grade, and that was that?
Yeah.
So,
I was filled there.
say again?
I was filled with my education there at 6th form, you know.
So you probably left school early then, in terms of being very young?
I left school at might be about 15, 16, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah. But during those times, going to school, I was still meditating music and, you know. In those times, really, they used to have the Glean and Star.
Yes.
Alright, you know, the Star used to put out songs that was sung
the lyrics
by,
of songs.
Yeah, from American artists, really. Like High School Dance, Takali, and them. So I have this exercise book, you know. So I have a song on each page. So because I get as fat as that. Okay. Well, that was really my starting in the music business, you know. Yeah. And go and get a song, so I start to sing. And that was after school now. Because going to school, I was doing those things, you know.
Okay.
I have meeting with them.
Okay.
So after school I decided to settle down, but it couldn't work because I need spender.
Yes.
So then I started to do all type of work, man. There was the man in Kingston named Mr. King. He used to get jobs for you if you have a profession or once you can do something.
Yeah,
it was like
a
an agent. Yeah.
Okay.
So I get this job as a cook, and I used to cook. I get this job as a gardener. I used to do gardening, yeah, everything, you know.
And then look at us to put food on the table.
Okay, until I have some friend in town, I'm living on One Town Park Road, and I said, I'm going to stay with my friend them a while. I go up there a while, and them like the music too. But them couldn't sing, but them have ideas. So the guy go and say, Bam, see a guitar here, man.
Yes.
Buy a guitar and bring come. None of we can play the guitar. And they with the guitar ping pong, and I said, Cho. Me I go Ken Village and Rasta. And the man say, what you going, man? I stay at town, man. And me just, all right, one man really when I wait, me missing. Me just there, so. With my guitar, start to work it, and I can't play it in the jet. There's bing bang, bing bang, bing bang, so the guitar go down to 3 string.
Yeah.
But me still find a key. Me can find C, F, and G, and them things on it by using the fret. And you know, within them time, I have about 57 songs. By them time there.
Yes?
Yeah, in my book.
Those are original songs?
Original songs. So I decided, say, boy, I will check out some producers. So I check with Coxon, do one tune with Coxon called One More Kiss.
One, yes.
But them time when you do song for them sound man, it's not really money making business because then you use the song to do composition with other sound. So my song was one of the sound of them using a kill sound those time, from those long time.
Yes.
Then I ended up with J.J. Johnson in Orange Street.
Yeah, this was about 1964, thereabout.
I can't even guess it.
Yeah, I saw me in another region now.
So that time I was a group called West Indian.
West Indians.
So we do a couple songs with J.J. Johnson. It was like, yeah, we do a couple songs with J.J. Johnson. Song like Right on Time and Bring It On Home to Me and Oh Lord, Why Lord, one of the Winston songs.
Hokey Pokey and them songs.
And Hokey Pokey, yeah. So then...
Hold on, the members of the West Indians, Leslie. Leslie Burke and Hector Brooks.
And Hector Brooks, yeah, yeah. It's okay. Well, I was going to do the thing work, man. It seemed as if I was the only one that interested in the music. So, because J.J. Johnson things and the music thing wasn't working to get the amount of cash you need.
Yes.
So the group dissolved. But I was the writer. I was arranging. I was teaching them harmony, how to sing and do everything, and they come in. So I said, well, I don't really need them because it's time and do everything.
So you plan to go solo then?
So I said, well, I go for my own. And at that time, I still have a 40th song, you know.
Yeah, in your book then?
Yeah. So I used to be in the corner down there. So at night time, I start to play. I noticed one night, might be about 2 or 2:30 in the morning, I hear like a crowd outside the yard, you know. So I said, whoa, what is this? And I boom, put it on open. Wow, a crowd of people from in the village.
I practice.
No, they were wondering and contemplating what is wrong with me, because they think I was getting mad.
Okay.
'Cause I was singing actually every night, from 8 o'clock right back. Sometimes 10 o'clock I get up in the night and come in and back to maybe 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. So and it was a wonder, man. I tell you, man, because I didn't even understand what was happening.
Yes.
Okay. So nothing ever happened with King Scratch. I went to King Scratch, do over Cherry Baby, which I did do already a long time. But
So
that is after.
who you recorded it for first time?
The first, Cherry Baby?
Yes.
The first time I recorded it was for myself at Dynamic Sound. Yeah.
Dynamics, okay.
Yeah.
But you never really take on, no?
No. The Take On is the first time it recorded.
Yeah.
The Take On.
The take on.
Yeah, but what I'm saying, I have that song in my head about a year before I do it. In 1970, this guy named Minot came in from New York looking some new hacks.
Yes.
So he rehearsed a lot of artists, and it went down to about 2 of us leave, which was me and I think the Slickers, a group that sing a song Johnny Too Bad.
Johnny Too, yes.
Well, he didn't know which song to pick, Johnny Too Bad or Cherry O Baby. But he ended up taking Johnny Too Bad.
Yes.
That was 1970. I said, boy, how the man up pick Cherry O Baby, man. So the festival was coming up and I decided, boy, I'm going to try into the festival song competition with this song. I sing a song to a few people and them said it sound good, but right over there was a guy named Daly and I was painting his house because I do painting, you know.
Oh, okay.
Interior, exterior decoration. I do everything.
Yes?
Yeah. So painting his house at the same time. One day I just bring up the guitar and say, Mr. Daly, listen to his song, what do you think? And play it on the guitar with my 3-string, yeah? I'm just dead. I see him look and say, but Eric, that song deserves a prize, man. And that really boosts me again, you know. I said, why, if him can say that, that means him really hear something inside of the song. And he said, but I enter the festival song competition with it. From them pick the song. And now I want to tell you, man, from the first time I go for rehearse the song with the Inner Circle band, because that was the band they used.
The great Inner Circle.
As I go to the man, them say, Cherry, man, they start to call me Cherry James. I said, this song gone, Jad, gone. Night of the elimination, I sing it about 2 times and it's just gone, you know?
It's gone.
Yeah, so that's how I came in the business.
Yes.
Well, no, I end up all over the place, you know, man. All over the place, in Europe, Africa, West Indian Island.
We are getting round to the part time. Before we move on from Cheerio, I saw something where it said that song originally was supposed to be for the group, the West Indians.
Yeah,
but them end up not turning up.
But they end up didn't. Yeah, man, it's true, man.
Yes?
Yeah, because I got to the guy them, you know, and said, listen, we have it now, you know, here. And they were supposed to turn up for rehearsal.
Yes.
And they didn't turn up.
They didn't turn up.
They didn't turn up.
And you're alone left with it.
We are alone left with it. So, but I said, boy, I'm my song.
Well,
you know, so me just go attack it, man, alone, you know.
I could talk a little bit about the West Indians, though, because when you went to Lee Scratch, the name of the group was
yeah, we
changed from
dissolved
West
already.
Indian.
Yeah,
it dissolved already?
Yeah, it dissolved from J.J. Johnson.
From the West Indians to the Kilowatts.
J.J. Johnson. So that's why we're getting a problem with him. Because we do a thing, them bring it down home to me. We just riding good on the parade. And then when you listen on the radio, we hear the Kilowatts. So what all this? So there
was no discussion between the group.
So why you change the group name to Kilowatts Rasta from West Indian?
Yeah.
You want to make me know that you are West Indian and a black people, they may not like the tune. Because them have this racial discrimination thing going. But I say you shouldn't change the group name. And that's how the group get messed up and mashed up.
Oh.
Right there, so. You know?
So the group, after it was named by J.J. Johnson to the Kilowatt, kind of disintegrated.
Yeah, that's when it happened.
Okay,
yeah.
nice. I'm glad to kind of put that part there.
Yeah,
Leslie and Hector, they're still around?
Yes. But Hector, he died
Hector
a couple
passed
years.
on.
Yeah, passed on.
Yeah. So rest in peace.
Yeah.
But Leslie is still around?
Yeah, man.
In Jamaica?
Yeah, in Jamaica right now.
Nice.
Yeah.
So now you link up with, you see, it was after the group kind of break apart, you link up with Lee Scratch.
Right. There are a couple tunes for him too.
Slot Machine.
Oh Lord, Why Lord. And
Never Get Away. Oh Lord.
Yeah.
Wonderful World.
Yeah.
And bring it to home to me, you know, he made that.
Bring it, no, that no, for JJ, yeah.
So now, Solar Business, 1971 festival. That was the first time you entered.
First time I entered the competition, yeah.
Anybody who eventually got name was in that 71 competition?
Well, Toots did already win it, you know, maybe 2 or 3 times ago, you know.
Before, okay.
Because he was the man that carrying the banner.
Until they take it over.
Yeah, until 1971. Take it over.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now, Cherry O Baby became a popular song across the country. It became the festival winner for JCDC. But then you actually recorded the song outside of JCDC? No?
No, it's the same song.
Okay.
You never
recorded. You never re-recorded?
Yeah.
Okay. And then now that song became #1 on the charts.
Right.
After the festival.
After the festival.
So you're winning.
But it was #1 from the festival started.
But officially on the charts now,
on the chart,
it became
yeah,
#1.
Yeah. Yeah, first festival song ever been #1.
was a good year then, man.
A very good year. Yeah, man.
And that song has become the signature Eric Donaldson song.
I tell you, man. And one thing I want to put forward to, you know. After I win the competition, there was a big rumor going about that Toots animators cut me up.
Cut you up?
Yeah, cut me. Beat me at town and cut me up. Yeah, everyone in Kenville know me, but I come around and they know me with these cuts in my face.
Yes.
So I don't know, more time a man hear that story and see me, he may think that is true. But I want to tell a man, I and Toots never have a problem, no time.
No time at all.
We meet in different countries and different shows and everything is fine. And I want people to get that out of their mind. It was very wicked propaganda. Both from me and Toots and his family also.
Can you imagine?
Nothing like that ever happened.
Clear now, man.
You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man.
Clear. So
because if even now, you know, you go in a certain areas, them say, oh, no, him Toots them they cut up.
Yeah?
Maybe say, where you get them story there from, man? And more time I have to walk it out because it come like you to bring a fight. So I have to walk out them conversation. If a man touch something like that, I just leave the scene.
Yeah, man. Makes sense. You know? Makes sense.
Yeah, man.
So Cherry O Baby, you know, it run the thing. It run our festival, it run off the country.
But I know it run things. Yeah, man. Don't play it like nothing. Wow, man. No matter thing, man. Yeah, man.
So take one little piece of Cherry O Baby then. Okay? You don't have to sing to a tune in 2 minutes. Say that also.
I think the interview too near. Yeah. Oh, Cherry O Baby, don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, what hardly left for me to do? Look how long I have been waiting for you to come right in. And now that we are together, please make all my joys come over. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So 1971 was a beautiful year for a young artist who just step in at the thing and the thing just explode.
Yeah, man. The good, the bad, and the ugly, and the distressful, and the distressful came in 1971 because of them false propaganda. So that year, you see that year, it's good and it's bad. But the good and the bad mixed together. Then I get out the right thing out of it. It's okay.
It was more good.
Yeah.
There is another notion out there that for 71 festival, you were also contemplating doing Blue Boat.
Hold on, 72?
No, I know you did it in 72, but is it true that you had that song and you were thinking about doing it for 71 as well? No?
No.
Oh, I kind of
Blue Boot come after.
But I know you did Blue Boot in 72.
Yeah.
And you placed second. That was the puts one again, 72.
Yeah, something like that.
Pump and Pride.
But I want to tell I do this song and travel. And then Tameko and called me and said, but this song is a #1 song, you know, Blue Boot.
Blue Boot.
So why the festival people don't never pick it? Go back and check them about it. You know the people, they never understand the lyrics.
So them say?
Yeah. You know?
So you came second that year?
That year.
That was 72.
72. It was a hit song, man.
Yeah, man, I know it was a hit
but
song.
But they never
by
pick in the
itself,
competition. They pick it. They never pick it.
They never pick it?
No.
So somewhere on the record it say you play second that
No,
year?
we release it. They never
it?
pick it, but they release it differently and it was number one.
I'm glad we are clear up that because you see, while doing the research, it said that year Global came in second.
Nothing like that.
Toots,
Never come in second.
Pride, so.
They never pick Global.
Oh, they never pick it, but
no.
it became a hit song in the
became a hit song. Yeah.
In 73, did you team up with Ira? That was the year you teamed up with Ira?
Yeah, 73 Ira and Ura, yeah man.
But that song, the song is a festival song though.
Yeah. I the same Cherub baby, you know, but different thing.
Different thing?
Yeah. Oh. Same man. Yeah, festival gone to waste. This a one no have no taste. They come with them sour face. Turn festival in screw face. Yes. Oh, what a festival. Nobody can get no guy.
Some people.
Eh?
So that
yeah.
So that was not entered into the festival.
No, it
was
wasn't
a tune.
Yeah.
With the and the great IRI. Who else was on the tune? I guess you IRI?
Yeah, that one was produced by Bonnie Lee.
By Bonnie Lee, yeah, because you were doing some work with Strike at the time. No, you see one of the things, Sir Donaldson, is that many people kind of box in Sir Donaldson as a festival singer. You understand?
Me know that, man.
But we soon come to that part, but many people are not aware of the fact that outside of Cheerio Baby and This Is the Land of My Birth and Sweet Jamaica and Join the Line and all of them something there, Peace and Love, you have other big songs.
Yeah, other big songs, man. Songs with Jamaica people not even here because so far, you know, it's 39 albums me have out there, you know.
30 who much
39 albums.
At least
and
10 songs on each of the
Jamaican people might be going to know about 3 albums, which is Eric Donaldson.
That was the first one.
One named Keep On Riding, and the next one named what now? Maybe 3 albums or 4 albums. But the rest of the time, them sell all over Africa. All over Africa, South Africa, West Africa, Nigeria, name them.
Yes.
See, many other hits.
Right. Just for documentation purpose, Eric Donaldson was the first album you released?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Some of the singles now that I've done, Big Things, Miserable Woman.
Yeah, that is on the first album.
That's on the first album?
Yeah. Miserable Woman.
Little did you know,
Little did you
Sylvia's
know.
Mother.
Yeah, those are different songs and different 45, those, so not an album. Yeah.
We are talking about a few more, the big songs as they go along.
All the big song, man, song like Rocky Road, where I don't even think, you know.
Yeah.
Cinderella.
Cinderella, yeah man, we have Cinderella.
Yeah, Cinderella. I can't remember them. I should have got down the list of the song, them. I forgot it upstairs.
Love of the Common People, when Ninja Man do a version. Not the money in my pocket.
Yeah.
Free food ticket, him do a version of
yeah, that was also one of the Winston.
That was a cover that you did.
Yeah, man.
That was a hit song as well.
Yeah, man. And what the people said the song, that song, it was so super because they couldn't recognize the song when I sing it. Because the song we have many cards, maybe about 9, 10 different cards, movements. And I bring it down to 2 cards. You know, they couldn't understand the song after when I started to say, love the common people. Then the people say, but that is the song. Yeah, man. Bring it down nice, you know. Like all in Brazil now. I couldn't believe the first time when I go to Brazil that people really recognize Eric Donaldson's song that much. I even love Eric Donaldson because when I go for
festival song,
no festival song. So when it come to when I went there for rehearsal, see, it's some girls rehearse the song. Can I go take the mic and they start to say, I stop once, so don't stop. And it's them practice because they know the song, but they sing it in their own language.
Oh.
You understand? Yeah.
Portuguese.
The Portuguese, yeah. Yeah, man, and they show them nice. And one thing again, over there now, this song don't go by sales and profit off sales, you know. The song hit by means of popularity there, how much time the radio played.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So when it's when I was stage show now, wow.
Nice. We get to Brazil. I mean, you spend some time in Brazil from time to time. We soon get to that part. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Officially?
Officially. I have a youth on the too, 17-year-old.
I say, thing, brother. Between 71 victory and 77 victory, you did the Kent Village EP. You did an EP, LP, not EP, a LP titled Kent Village.
Yeah, man, Kent Village.
You did Freedom Street and Stand Up.
Freedom Street and Stand Up. Yeah.
Those songs.
These are all them songs that the people them like a Brazil. Them the type of tune there, yeah, man. Yeah. I want to Lolita.
Lolita.
Oh,
yeah, Lolita.
And song them Jalove. I sing them songs that like all 2 times, you know. When stage show finish, man, want to hear back Jalove again, you know. I mean, I just said, no, man, you have to pay again, man. I tell you, Jamaica people not familiar with those songs at all. Yes. And the next thing I say, I can never get radio play in Jamaica. I don't know why. If it's money to make a radio play come, it's like I don't know how my money.
You mean the great Eric Donaldson?
One time, this radio station, certain radio station send out flyers where you can send in a CD to them, money. I send CD till I sick and never, you know. Yeah, man. So you don't know what happened to Eric Donaldson on the radio, why I can't get no play.
Why them feel like need to blow at them pass?
What? You know you're not yet, man. Sometimes you see me come from up so, you know, when them pass, what place down there, so them kind of put something on the road, because they dig out.
Oh, okay.
So them concrete it like, but in a level.
Oh.
Sometimes you think it's a turn over, you say trouble now.
So Father Donaldson, in 1977, you were back on the festival scene.
Yeah.
Victory number 2.
Victory number 2.
Victory number 2. Sweet Jamaica.
Yeah, but this song wasn't my song. This song is written by... Oh gosh.
Anna Wallace.
Winston Wallace. Yeah. Yeah, man. That time I live in the corner the same way, man.
Same way.
This guy come check one man and say, I was song here for you. You don't talk away. I was song here for you. You know, Eric, I think it fit your voice. You want to look at it? Let me look at it, really. So I say, you have any idea how you sing it? And him sing it.
Them might fear.
Yeah, I say, yeah, man, me try this, man. This sound like a hit song.
A hit song.
Yeah. I just boom and go in it. This time it was Fab 5.
Fab 5. Oh, not in a circle this time. Fab 5.
So they like it when I go there. Song never get a problem. It was
straightforward.
You know, yeah.
And you right to have a true one.
So we go and we knock it, man, and festival. It was okay.
You knock out one more.
And then he come back 1978 again.
Yeah, we soon come to 78. What was the prize for winning festival back in the day? 71 and 77?
71 and 77, I don't know. I think it was something like about $50,000-$60,000.
56, but that was a nice food back then.
Yeah, in those times.
Yeah, man.
In those times.
In those times.
Yeah.
Inflation mash up that house still, but back then it was a nice food.
Yeah.
So 77 it was Wallace who wrote Sweet Jamaica.
Right.
And 78 now.
Wallace again.
Land of My Birth.
Land of My Birth.
That's
this time it was even better, because this time, as I'm giving it this time, I said, gee, I said, Wallace. I know, I said, Wallace, this is a national anthem.
It is a national
anthem. I tell him that when him come with the song. Before, I said, Wallace, this is a national anthem. Yeah, man.
As a matter of fact.
I never hesitate to go into the song, man, because I know it.
As a matter of fact, in 2013, there was a poll done by the JCDC trying to find out what the people think is the most popular festival winning song ever And Land of My Birth was voted as the most popular festival song in the history of Jamaica's festival.
That's the most historical festival song.
Yes.
The most popular one is Cherry O Baby.
Alright, in terms of what the people that play Poland and the one there.
Yeah. To them,
I mean, Cherry O Baby is probably a bigger song because it became #1 across the country. But in terms of the song with the people, them, I mean, festival song this year, Land of My Birth.
Land of My Birth. Yeah, man, I adore that song too, you know.
Beautiful song.
Yeah, man, good song. It have been everything. I just want to put something forward again, you know.
Yes.
Because I was in St. Croix. I did 4 shows in St. Croix. I don't remember the year them, you know, man. That the year them. But anyhow, I think it's still in the 70s. Some show in St. Croix. So the guy decided to bring me into Dominica. Not Dominica. That place, the volcano mash up the other day.
St. Vincent.
Not St. Vincent.
Montserrat.
Montserrat. So I was in Montserrat to do 2 shows. Going Montserrat, when I leave the station, I noticed a guy stick to me. So I wanted to show me around the place. And I said, well, Montserrat, a little place, man. Show me around the place.
A little place with you.
Yeah. But it still work out. That's me having him around me.
Yes.
Never knew him was a policeman. Anyhow, after a time, I find out. So it's like me go have the show one Friday night, one Saturday night. So then Friday I was going to get myself some smoke. So I said, listen, man, you can't come at the man in place, you know, because remember you're a policeman. So I go get my smoke and come back. I said, okay, man, everything all right. I buy man cigarette, beer, everything around me like a good friend. Night of the show, the man come with me at theater, you know, help me put on my clothes, every damn thing, you know, Don't lick the show nice, man, and go back to the hotel. Might be about 5:30. I say, what that now? So I never done that, and the daughter look to the local people and say, some police, you know. Me and myself, now, I say, I must see the policeman and some of my friend, them come check me or something. But you don't know what me do. 5 police and 2 dogs come in for me. And start dig up the place and search for herb. Last time I find 1 bumper herb like this in the jar. And that they knock me up for 1 little bumper herb. Let me say that to not police and with 5 policemen and 2 dogs for 1 little piece of herb, Jed. So them have me down at the jail from them time in the morning and the Saturday morning, you know, so the morning go find a judge and everything to try the case though, Saturday, you know.
Yes.
Yeah. Listen this. So I talk a lot of things inside of the jail, so they never lie. Anyhow, got the courthouse. And then it must be the prosecutor. So, Mr. Donaldson, you are brought here for having cannabis saliva in your position. And there was a lady with you also. And we don't know if she's the one who make you have it. So, what do you have to say? So I said, Your Honor, leave the lady out of it. Because it is my herb. Right? All right. So them put her on probation or something like that. I said, what have you got to say now, Mr. Donaldson? So I said, right now there shouldn't be no questioning in this court about who is guilty from who is not, Your Honor. Because every man in this courthouse has used ganja for their own domestical purpose. And furthermore, it is recommended in the Holy Book, Psalms 104, verse 14 says, He causeth the grass to grow for the cattle and herb for the service of man. Judgment me created. And so, jump up in there and say, Your Majesty, I put into you that this man be deported and be charged the maximum and hold in custody until the plane arrives. To me, I feel no way. So, them decide we can't go to the airport and come like the whole of Montserrat, they behind the police, them, you know. Stick and stone, you know, bus and chuck and them fire gunshot with this. The people them think black off the airport, you know. They let go the man that like you go cause a riot. So then got more forces down to get off the people them. Then after now, me in this room I wait now for the plane. The police brother me say, you can see him look like a dog, shame. Say, Mr. Kiss, man. You know I'm going already. You know, don't set me up already, so, you know. So I fly out to Antigua. Because I couldn't stay there.
Right.
So boom, I go to Antigua, meet a friend named Fitzroy Brand, who bring me come to Antigua the first time. So I show me story how I go on, and I just stay on there, man, and go check a money and laps. Because when I reach Antigua, I can't find my ticket. So my stone broke. So Brand said, right, you go line up something, find a man in laps, because laps in have a show at the same time, so I put me on it, make back a money for me thing. But the hand out, I say, I go in now, and I say, no man, Peter Toucher come Friday, Saturday, so stay till Peter come. So I say, what? And just boom, sit down. Peter come Saturday now, man, big stage show in the place named the Carnival Bowl. Me dey on the show too, short shirt, dey on the shirt, a few artists from there. Me work, then that poet better work, short shirt work, but after short shirt finish, short shirt come and say, well, ladies and gentlemen, we have a little problem, but we don't have any problem, but Peter Touch, it's a problem, but Peter Touch will not be performing. That thing shouldn't say neither. It's peer buckle on the stage, and the people them move out, the people them fridge, you know, do the raw fish, raw chicken, raw fish, drinks. And that go on in the carnival, all people them take away everything and mash up the place. See? And a portion of people move out and I say, boy, we go kill that. And I head up that time Peter in the hotel same way. And I say, Ratty, do I go on now? So I know some restaurant on in one place near Yabra, you know. I drive a mini mook, and I just say, boom, two of the restaurant in I show with the jump knife and say, let us go to Yabra. So whoop and go to Yabra. And come back with might be about 50 or 100 more Rastaman. Rastaman is some stick with the root and everything on it. Rastaman in a long go and catch them down and so. And them run before the mini book, you know, and me there in the middle and them there. Straight up there, bang at the carnival ball and block off the road. And the Rastaman them come out and block off the place from down at the carnival ball, come up there, long line. Nobody can pass. A policeman up there, them have to stay with them there. So I go in the hotel and I say, Peter, want to go on? I say, why? I work with the man at Nevis. Because a couple of shows I do on the island. Right. So I work at Nevis. The brother said when him come Antigua, he will pay for the 2 show. And up to 2 o'clock, the man no come yet. So I'm saying, I go for no show. Well, Jed, them did it till morning, the rest of the man in the man and the man said, what we going to do now? So the brother, one of the brother put on a show named Sea Jags. Say, I said to him, say, listen now, I don't have to get Peter out, I know. Or we'll get him out. So here what them do now. In the morning early, them put on an announcement on the radio, say Peter will give them a free show in the park. We have a park near the radio station, you know. So then set up some instrument and everything there.
Make it look like
people are come. And then when the people them get around and I wait for this show at 5 o'clock, and catch a plane, Jamaica to So, I have to get that story there. Really have to get that history, man. Because I see every man Antigua.
You love the story, man. Yeah, before you give me the story, but I take a piece of land of my birth.
Oh.
Yeah, you didn't give me
He said, this is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. The land of my birth. I will never leave the shores. I will never run away. I will always believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say. All nations great about trials, we must face the test of time. Our people, they are strong and we are going to get along. Though some people say we are poor, But the progress you make, my friend, is not always a ritual. Sing, this is the land. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Big tune, brother.
Yeah, man, big tune, man. Big
Anthem,
tune.
national anthem.
National anthem, man.
Yeah, well, I substitute national anthem, but in a real life.
Yeah.
That's 78.
78. So then now, sometimes I enter the competition and I'm not pick the song them. Couple years.
Yes?
Yeah, man, couple
Which
years.
year them then?
All 5 years. All this year.
Since here?
Yeah. And the year before too.
Oh.
You know. So I don't know. But there's a talk on the street where John Public is saying that Festival Commission said me win too much and me can't enter then again. But that is false. Festival Commission don't say nothing like that. John Public on the street saying those things. Yeah. So that make me know so there is a birth of bad mind in the street against Eric Donaldson. Yes. We're saying those things. Yeah?
Yeah. Enter again, man.
No, like I say, I enter this year and I never pick. I don't know if I'm going to enter. That may I say, but like me I say, if an idea come, I'm going to work with it. But I don't definitely sit down and I try to work a song for that occasion. Yeah.
1984 again.
Yeah.
You mash up them. Proud to be Jamaican.
Yeah. Well, this is a history song again. This guy come to me with this song from 1982. And the way how him have this song, I tell him say this song can't win, you know. Because his song him did have, it have cursed the government.
You can't enter a festival.
So I say you can't do that, man. The Prime Minister not go pick that the song the Rasta. But the song have a rhythm and a beat.
Yes.
So I say, yeah, what you do? Live free with me, never work on it. So I have this song from 1982. Work on it in 1984 now.
Yeah, 84.
It finished and I send it in and then pick his song.
Yes.
So I call him. I say, them pick this song, you know. And when he hear back this song, he don't know it because when I'm having this song, I just few things that when him did have, me having it. And then when the competition.
Yes, that was the year that Jamaica was celebrating its 22nd
84, I think.
anniversary.
Yeah, I don't remember.
You mentioned it in the song, man. Jamaica, you had 22.
No, man, this is a different song.
Is that a different song?
Yeah, that song is a song named
Proud to be Jamaican.
Proud to be Jamaican.
Right, so 84 you win with Proud to be Jamaican, man?
Oh, me mix up with one named Peace and Love.
No, man,
Peace and Love is the song with me and the brother.
At 97.
The one with me and the brother, am I right? Yeah.
So no, so 84, you made mention that Jamaica had 22 now.
Yeah, 22 years. Yeah, salute, yeah, man.
Right.
Yeah.
That year, you can tell some of the people about it in the competition.
Yeah.
I interviewed somebody yesterday who was in the competition. Pamal was in the competition.
Yeah, Pam.
Ryan was in the competition. Toots and the Natals.
Yeah.
Electric Jet.
Yeah.
Robert French.
I just said that about 2 centimeters, they bring me back to 10 years after. 10 and, that was one, 19 one.
84.
94, yeah, okay. What did happen? Well, we that figure out. Yeah. Imagine we beat Toots in the competition in 1971 and 10 years after he come back and we beat him again.
Oh. Yeah.
It was a talk. It was a talk. I think about
it then be about 12 years.
Something like that. But that's so long and him come back and say, boy, you're bad, so bad.
That year,
yeah.
Some people in the competition who have become legends in the music.
Yeah.
And you stave them off.
Yeah.
And hold on again.
Yeah, hold on again.
Proud to be Jamaican.
Proud to be Jamaican. Yeah, man.
That year must have been fun though. Because Loving Day was in it as well that year as well.
Loving Day with him big panty on his head. Loving Day a real joker. I'm a friend, man.
Yeah, I heard that the crowds back then were amazing for the road shows.
Yeah, man. Yeah. The road show. I talk about road show, man. I give one history about the road show in 1971. There was a man in the show named Sir what? I couldn't remember her name. But him did have a song in the competition also. So then you have to pick your ticket to go up on the show, right?
Right.
So One of the time I pick, no, the first time, one ticket to make. I pick number, my ticket was number 8. And his ticket was number 9.
So him to perform after you?
Yeah. The show couldn't go on.
People that walk out after you perform.
After me done sing everybody. So we have to go back and shift round and put him before me.
In the other shows?
In the other shows, yeah.
Me here about it,
Sir Harry sitting in there.
Harris.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Them nice man.
Me 71 after you perform.
Yeah, man. So done, man. And it happened to me already in Brazil, you know, with that big youth, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Them have a 3-day festival on there, you know. And the night when me work, big youth did supposed to work also. But them want go on after me, before me. Because him claims I'm a big star and going before, but him no big me in Brazil. So right now, you want to see now big youth them decide, say, boy, them will close the show. Because to them, me a small fish. Like in Jamaica, you know?
Yes.
So I work with a bank named Chibidija.
Chibidija?
Yeah, some blind guy too.
Okay.
Yeah. Rest of time and don't work, everybody leave the place, you know.
Venue.
Some I say, Mr. Buchanan.
Manley Augustus Buchanan.
Yeah, no name big youth.
Yeah, man, you see the word.
Him look, he said it's a 3-night show.
So he get the next night.
So him work the other night.
I say powerful in Brazil, and you didn't tell him, brother.
Hey, me I tell you, man, we don't show Brazil, man, a different business. Man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Different business altogether.
So 83, you knock them again. The next time you go, 93, big it up.
Yeah, 93. They're not winning song, but
winning song.
Not bringing too much impact. But it's winning song, yeah.
Who wrote that one?
Cameron, a brother out of East, yeah.
95, they knock them again. They have to join your line.
Join the line. That's who again. Join the line. I remember who write the song there. I think it's a woman anyhow.
Oh, okay.
Join the line. Then 97. 97, Peace and Love.
Peace and Love.
Yeah. Yeah.
Big song that.
Yeah, man.
You wrote that one?
That's the song where the brother.
That's the song where you change around?
Yeah.
Ah.
So that's what me and the brother write it. Yeah, so I say, all right, I do co-writing because I want the song change, so.
So you never frowns?
No, I couldn't frowns. Because when you hear a song different, because I change the meaning of the song, you know?
Turn it in a winning song.
Turning in a winning song where people are love, peace and love.
Yes.
Yeah.
What was the price when you like in 97?
Well, I remember, but I think you get about 100,000. Him.
100,000.
Or
him?
Or
80,000.
Credit. Yeah. Writers, yeah.
Yeah, man, I understand.
So the money sharing too between me and him, the writers, but me get my singing money for myself.
Okay. No, you're a singer, man. Yeah. So in 1997, you won it for the 7th time.
7th time, Jed.
Nobody has won it more than you.
Nobody.
So it would be you, then who? Toots or Rai?
Either Rai or Toots. I don't remember what time Rai winning. Some people say 4, but I think about 3 times in a 2.
Toots winning another region too.
Yeah. But
Daddy.
You're right. Then we 3 in the line. Toots, me and Rai.
Yes, well, definitely.
Yeah.
You have won so many times that you have been dubbed Mr. Festival.
Yes, I am.
And I suppose that's a good and a bad thing though, Father Eric, because what you right now, whilst Jamaicans adore you as the festival daddy, you may have suffered a fate that says many Jamaicans see you as just a festival singer.
Right.
And you have suffered because of that.
Yeah, man.
Whilst you have benefited, you have also suffered.
But on the other side, I tell you internationally, me alright. Because like me, I say the song that the people them like out of Jamaica people not right. So them come to sustain me, you know, keep me going.
So you ever look at it and say, Jaja, most people them did, you know, just have me as a singer and not just a festival singer. Because you then probably get booked for more shows about there.
Yeah, I think so too. Because like me, I say, most of the people them say, a festival singer, man. And
them put in a little festival box.
Put in a one little buckle by myself. You know, say a festival man that. Only in Jamaica. When I travel, I sing festival song. You
don't sing that song there?
One song I may sing sometime. Not in Cherubim, I sing in Brazil. It's a certain place.
Yeah?
No.
So which are the one song where we
One song sometime I sing is Land of My Birth.
Land of My Birth.
But I change the words again. Like if I did.
Mix it up for folks
Yeah.
there.
I don't say this is Jamaica, I say this is the other country.
Why? Yeah. So you ever have any regrets that you went the festival road rather than mainstream because of how them box in?
I don't regret it no matter how them box me or what them do. They expect to be justified by men. So whatever I do it to the best of my ability and my heart. Yes. And who don't like it is all up to them because the thing that you don't like is the thing the other man like.
Which is true. Which is true.
Yeah.
Yes.
And that's why I don't have much to say about the music that is going on and the people that is recording the music. Because if you record a million songs and some people say, boy, this is not good, that not good. No matter what you do, the song have a million listeners.
True.
No matter how the song sound,
yes.
Somebody didn't like it.
Yeah, because when I look at the song, when I was doing the research, I was looking at some of the songs, and every song you have at least have 1 million views on YouTube.
Yes.
Which is so true. Some have 7 million, 8 million. So
yes.
the music is received over the world.
Right. Right. Like I said, your meal is my poison. So me don't want that man, but I should give it to me. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, so it's a open mind. I would just think universal.
Yes. Which one of the festival years is the most memorable one for you?
The first one.
First 71.
Cherry Baby, yeah.
Cherry
Because first experiencing something like that, you know, I have no regret and I wasn't surprised of what happened because in my mind, long time, I tell myself that I'm going to be a singer. And I tell myself, I want to have a club and I want to be a singer. But I end up building the club first.
Yes. Oh, you build the club first?
Yeah. So the singing coming after, you know. But too much work and I am alone and a lot of people, so I just cool it down for a while.
Okay, because when I come here and say, you know, I kind of realize I think kind of...
Yeah, I cool it down for a while. So when we ready,
well.
yeah man.
Okay, very nice.
Man. But every minute I have to travel and every time I travel and come back, I lose X amount of money. Every time, the people them not see money and leave it, man. That's one of the things about it again, you know. Yeah. I mean, one time I travel 3 times for the month. You know, sometimes you have 2-4 months I not travel still.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes I go there for a month. And most time I go here 5 days and back, 4 days and back.
See, you have your own sound system, bro.
Yeah, man, I have a music, man, everything.
I don't set up a whole lot, so I have some more box around there, sir.
Yeah, we have 2 more boxes around room there. Yeah.
You will build it?
So, no, I have a guy who
will deal with it. Out of the festival years, which one of the years you think was the toughest for you?
The toughest?
Yes. Yeah, so when you look at the crowd in a festival, I mean the participants.
Well, what I'm saying, none of the thing never tough, not really the tough to me, you know, Jed.
Yeah.
Because let me tell you, every time I go to the festival, I expect to win. And one time I go and I never win. 2 times.
2 times.
I never like how them take the winnings from me and give it to I want a woman to jam.
I want to jam. I don't remember which
because I have a song named All We Need Is Love, you know, man. So, no, them robbed me 3 times. Speak it out. I have a song named All We Need Is Love.
Yes.
Them don't play me and them pick Colin Davis. I have a next song come back.
Can you break your wife that, man?
Who that?
Tommy.
It's after that Tommy and I meet, man.
Oh, okay.
but even though, Ben, it's like we beg for her if you come to the competition because Babsy, she must be related to Babsy and then she did that say related people can't enter the competition once, yo.
Oh, okay,
Yeah?
okay.
But so no man, that have not
Make
to
you
do
forward,
make
sure.
you forward in it.
Nice, nice,
No
nice,
problem.
nice.
It's alright, same way. Then the next time it was, I want a woman to jump. Well, I said, no, this song shouldn't win, man. Because you know,
that's not really festival type.
You know, sir?
Want a woman
See?
to jump. So that was two, which was the next one?
The next one was Give Thanks and
Give
Praise.
Thanks and Praise.
It is a good song, but it should be a gospel. Because they have gospel competition. So his gospel him should have go with that. Rarian. So me I say, a gospel then should have put him in because it's a gospel song.
It's a gospel song.
And a gospel competition. That him should have, you know. Them there my
bros.
bros.
That year then?
I don't remember my song that year there, no man. I don't remember my song that year there. I think it was I don't remember my song.
Did they actually place that year?
Me?
Yeah, as in second, third, fourth. Them.
Yeah, man, we're in a competition. We're in the competition.
Nice.
So
it's never really hard.
It's 10 times I did plan to win the thing, you know. And it's 10 times I win it and then rob me 3 times, you know. I may try to go back 10 times, but they're not picking no more song.
Go on, man. If you find the song, you never know.
Who knows?
Yes.
I mean, I just wake up with the right song, you know.
Wake up
I wake up with the cherry baby, you know.
Yes.
Like me wake up and sing it.
One lady bought her name Cherry at the time. And them I say she sing a song go.
Little suffering, me go over that, Jed.
Little suffering?
And I never deal with her. I never do nothing like that. Huh? That you she live in the area.
Them I say she.
Nothing.
She's still alive?
Yeah, man, but she's there foreign.
Oh, she's there foreign. Big up yourself, Miss Cherry.
Big up yourself, my friend.
Cherry Oh Baby, while we're on the topic again, is a song that has been sampled by some great people.
Yeah, yeah.
Rolling Stones.
Rolling Stone, their version.
1976 Black and Blue album.
Right.
And UB40 for the 1982, I think, or 83 Labor of Love album.
Labor of Love. Yeah, man.
A great acknowledgement of the music that they read.
What do you,
Rolling
man?
Stones did a song.
I wish them could have picked up some more songs.
And clap them back. How did you actually benefit financially from those?
Yeah, because I know the right you have your money for it out there. PRS and AMC.
So it was a one-off payment, there is a overtime. Royalties, publishing still keep coming in.
Yeah, publishing still coming in, but yeah, publishing coming in from the
PRS and
PRS.
Yeah. Which one of the versions has done better? Rolling Stones or UB?
Rolling Stone.
Rolling Stones.
Yeah.
And them have a bigger names, I suppose.
Yeah, a bigger team. That boy, they must say, boy, you be part of the country, boy. That's what they must say.
Yes. Phyllis Dillon did a version, did a cover of Cherry Oh Baby too?
Who?
Phyllis Dillon.
No, not me know of. I know of.
Nothing close to it?
No, I'm going to know this set of people where you have this.
The classics?
TV series are going on. What's his name? The. Sure.
Jamaica or America?
America.
America. Watch it.
They used to have it to play in on the show, you know.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And you'd have got you get your dues off of that too.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong. Make them go and
Yeah,
play,
man. Yeah, go and play, man. Let me say whatever we ain't never way them use the song.
Yes.
With the PRS you get a statement, you know. Every country where them use it for, you know. Because somebody.
So detail?
Yeah, because if this radio station play it for a month, you see how much per play. And you understand? And if a man use it, and if they use it for jingles, yeah, and if a sounding system man play it, keep dance and jukebox and everything come back.
Good music is a powerful thing.
Yeah.
If you see one of them things, a breakdown of that one.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Set up.
Them saying a breakdown every time, but when me notice, since January, I not hear from the PRS. Them turn me onto some different people.
Yeah.
And I try to locate them, you know, but them give me some number and I can't locate
because
them.
that's what I'm going to ask you. Seeing that you made mention of PRS and stuff, it look like you're publishing and royalties in good hands.
Yeah, them indeed.
So you took time out to set the part, I think that's straight.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
Yeah.
I'm happy to hear that.
PRS.
Sir, that
yeah, man. Long time I hook up with them, man.
Yes.
Even before Chero, baby.
Okay. But your wife from early on.
Yeah, man, long time, man. A long time I collect from them. From me I go all Duke Street to collect some money from them because they used to have a thing down there.
The office on Duke Street?
Yeah.
Outlet?
If you go to the boy name, one man with the name is Akas. So we go up there one day and when name is Jimmy London, we call him Mr. Jackass. It was trouble, man. I am not Jackass. My name is Akas. I said, J-A-C-K, it's a Jackass, man.
In 2020, you were conferred with the Order of Distinction.
2020.
2020.
Yeah.
Our Order of Distinction Officer Class. Must have been a great feeling.
I feel good, yes, man. You know, so really, they recognize me so much that they rank me in the order of an officer.
So we put on some respect and some letters.
Yeah.
What kind of name, you know?
Right. Yeah. Yeah, man.
So it is Eric Donaldson, OD. Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, man.
Most deserving.
When me I work for, I mean, I know me not put out no feelers about it yet, but me have it in my mind. I am wonder one them going to consider me, because I wouldn't mind see them put Eric Donaldson Boulevard from Angels to Bagua Bridge.
So when you thought, man, that's how decent.
You know?
Eric Donaldson Boulevard.
Yeah, man.
From Angels to Bagua Bridge.
Yeah, man. That would really be respectable. That, I would respect them
But
that
that
time.
sound like that's something we can go on, sir.
Suppose you can go on, man, now if every too much artists have them name on
politicians
street.
and them people.
Yeah. Yeah, Mali Avenue, you have all type of thing.
Edward see a guy we are dancing.
Yeah, I don't know how we may have just one boulevard.
Boulevard you are. Fear it though. Sister Babsy, do the thing. Yes, Mama. So you have been doing the music from 1960, officially from 1964.
Yeah,
The song
1967.
that you did with, at Studio One with Sir Cox, him release a song? The song was released?
It was released, man.
And those that you did at Duke Creed as well?
Yeah, Duke Creed song never
Never
released.
Okay.
Yeah, why Duke Creed or somebody else, boy?
Like a Treasure Isle treat her.
Man, Treasure Isle, not treat the artist them good, man. One song me do, I'm glad he used to play piano. Me do one song for him. You know, so the guy gave me 30. How much money he give me? The time I was, money I was, I don't remember what dollar or what that thing. But this is that $30, almost $30. It's pure silver.
But about give you have sir that also. You might can't give people for silver.
A serious guy, you know, man. Duke Creed, man.
Duke Creed.
Yeah.
Me hear about him, man. Ex-police and the works.
Yeah. So, from me do this song, me never go back there.
Oh.
Now me no hear it, me no hear it.
Yes.
But me do the same song for a guy named GG. GG record, man. He used to wrangling.
Me about GZs, man.
Yeah, so me do a song for the same song for Duke Creed.
Yes.
So me do a song.
You talk about some legendary names already now. Sir Coxon, Duke Creed, Lee Scratch. Who else as name producer?
One man name have to come up again because I take a Cherry Baby to him and he never understand it neither. And him pick another song over Cherry Baby, Derek Ariad. Him pick a guy named Glenn Brown with a song named Love I. Because him never understand Cherry Baby
was
neither.
the producer who never take Cherry Baby?
Yes, he was that producer who never check Cherry Baby.
Derek would have regretted it.
A two man refused Cherry Baby, Derek Ariad and Mr. Minot.
Who am I now?
Minot, I tell you about the guy who picked Johnny too bad.
Janet, yes. They probably look back and say, Judge.
Wow! Look back, man.
I saw if you got said, I just all the thing that for
never understand the tune, can't play it.
Yes.
3 string.
Of the 7 songs that you have one festival with, which one of them? Or you have a preference out of any of them? Like, you know what I want them to sing the most? I want them like more than the rest of them.
Well, I mean, preference is in certain songs. Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Peace and love, like that a ordinary thing where people are beg for every time. Peace and love. But land of my birth, more considerate and to the people, especially culturally. But Cherry Baby,
baby.
Monetary.
Monetarily.
That is the money one. Yeah. All the songs hold them different position, you know? Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, do you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Well, Cherry Baby is one. Land of my birth is second. Say Sweet Jamaica is third.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Peace and love me, they rank third. Still let me rank them.
Yeah. Me no mean third in that form. I mean third where the money is concerned. You understand?
I third at them.
Right.
Like I put third gear that.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Of the songs that are not before we even finish with the festival song, which festival song are Eric Donaldson's favorite festival song we are Eric Donaldson sing?
Bam Bam.
Bam Bam. Thoughts?
Yeah. Bam Bam a good tune.
Legendary.
Me no hear no more festival song.
Yeah? But like Rarian one man, you want to see a gospel.
A gospel, a good song, you know, but a gospel is in the wrong avenue. It's in the wrong avenue.
Gospel competition in the end.
Yeah.
I love that song still. I love that song.
Yeah, me not say no, but they listen it. No gospel.
Yeah, a gospel chant.
So why in this avenue?
Yeah, man, it's a nice song. So you love Bam Bam.
Yeah.
Nice. Good choice. The songs now that are not festival songs, the love of the common people and Cinderella and all of them songs. Out of that, those songs, is there anyone that resonate the most with resonate differently than the others?
Oh, make a serious song now, man. Sorry, I never can Melissa song them with me, man. Okay, what song name All We Need Is Love?
All We Need Is Love.
Brazil people them love it. Like me tell you, Brazil, me get all my best recognition is Brazil. All We Need Is Love, man. And next song name Lolita. You know, all of them they hit song. Ja Love. Like me tell me I have to do over them song there a couple of times. Me do some cover version where people love to like bring it on home to me one song to tune. Yeah, them song they get all the praise.
And the same love of the common people is a
love of the common people too, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Beautiful song that.
That song name I'm Indebted.
I'm Indebted.
Yeah. All those songs.
Yeah. Who you did that song before again?
Those songs, the I'm indebted to you. I think it's on Eric Donaldson's first album, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Eric Donaldson's first album in that one. Dynamic Zones.
Okay, I see that song since man, I don't know, I write it down still.
Yeah.
So those are some of the other songs that you really enjoy doing and performing on the road.
Yeah, man.
Speaking about on the road, well, I guess you probably answered that question already still.
Yeah.
Seeing because you seem to mention favor Brazil a lot. Brazil is your favorite place to perform?
Brazil is my favorite place right now to perform.
Yes.
Like I said, there's many places I've been to, but Brazil stand out more than the rest. Yeah. I mean, I do some like 1981, 1986, I think I was in Nigeria. Me, Harrow, Uri, Sparrow. And the show them go down, but they don't go down as great as we expect them, you know?
Yes.
The stadium them big, man. People in there, you don't see nobody at all. I say, if they act like me, Harrow, Sparrow.
Yes.
And we never really turn out so good, you know?
You have gone to places like Kenya as well?
Yeah, man. Kenya. What do you mean, Kenya? Kampala.
Kampala.
In Kenya.
No, Kampala is in Uganda.
Uganda, I mean. We go Kenya, New Uganda. Where next place, name one next place again. Anyhow.
Where are some other places that have been to work? I guess Europe are probably a place too.
It's one time I really cover some place in Europe.
Okay.
You know.
Where are some of those
I
countries?
go Europe with some guy one time and them business never right and I leave them on the road. them promise to snatch me away. But
yeah.
we go on a show with the money, right? X amount of money you're supposed to get per show, X amount per week. And when we done, man not coming with money yet. Our next show, everything is alright. You wait till the next show. Foolishness. Next morning when we're going to reach Paris, I just take my suitcase in the early morning and catch a taxi. Get airport. About 2 guys me do that too. Boy put up a show to me in New York. Listen, I'm there Brazilian Rasta and left Brazil come to New York. And when we come to New York we do the show, the boy now wait for me sleep.
You should have never done
and
that.
I wake up an African when him know. And the African go draw some money out of him machine there, out of account, and pay for a hotel for me to stay for the night. And them I say, tomorrow we see me. I say, okay man, fine. I get about 5 o'clock, airport.
In Brazil, where in Brazil you normally spend most of your time?
Well, my playground is really San Luis. But we work in a place like Belém, Rio de Janeiro, Imperatriz. I hope I look a place.
You mentioned that you are a citizen in Brazil. You were actually serious when you said that?
What?
That you are a citizen in Brazil?
Yeah, man.
Official citizen?
Official, legal papers, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Are you place to true that, man?
Yeah, so I say me have 1 place in and 1 foot here.
Yeah.
Any trouble me that do so?
You also made mention that you have a child.
Yeah, man. You have a youth up there,
17
17-year-old youth up there, man. 17 years this year, too.
Yeah. Yeah? Last year with that?
I don't know if it's the last one or the last one.
The last one.
I don't know.
How many children overall though?
6.
Yeah, okay.
7.
7. So Donaldson has ever been married?
Yeah, me try it one time. me try No, this guy was in love with me. I think she was in love with me.
Oh, you never
but
in love with
I
her?
was in love with her before.
Sure, Donaldson.
But you know,
You two are not in love with each other.
yeah,
man.
lady no decide say, boy, you gonna give me some green card. Cause she live a foreign, you know. So I said, so I said, man, you better me give her a thing, man, and you work out the papers to me, man. Anyhow, she work out the papers them. And when she leave and go, me never hear from her. No, when married, then she go up to set up the thing. Me never hear from her for about 8 years.
Yeah. 8 years?
Yeah.
Your wife?
Till she end up come, listen, she end up come back to Jamaica now to come live. So me end up have to talk to her and I say, what happened? Oh, me no get nothing for all the thing. Then if you tell me one fictitious story, she should go up and bring something with her and then hold her at airport. Then me say, then you hold secret from me for 12 or 20 years. You hold secret so long and not tell me nothing.
You never want to try again?
You know what I try to get? No, she try one more time.
Okay.
When me go forget my documents, the guy them say me have ganja in my system. They not give me no papers.
Yeah?
So me not get it. Yeah.
Is there any place you ain't not gonna work it where you hope to go perform there in the future?
Say that?
Any country in the world that you haven't gone to perform and yet that you hope to go there to perform in the future?
No, but me have some country where me owe them the money through COVID, me can't go there.
So you were booked for those shows?
Yeah. So me still wait to see if anything happen for them call me back, you know. Because me owe them and they owe me.
Yeah, me doing something well, hopefully as a thing, you know, open up back.
Yeah.
Shows that can go on, some more people can see Sir Donaldson.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
I mean, about 7 shows mess up.
Look like you move a lot though in terms of
Yeah, man.
travel to perform.
Yeah, travel. Right now, me have a show in a place in Seychelles.
Seychelles.
Yeah. I go down there about 3 times a year. Nice little place, you know,
Hear
man.
about it, man.
Yeah, man. Seychelles, me a 2 shows in St. Vincent. Me a one in Puerto Rico. No, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
Oh, okay, Puerto Rico.
But me I say, the boy, if you cancel that show there, because me not no visa to go to Puerto Rico.
Okay.
And, American people, you know.
Yeah, man. Oh, so you're the American people, them still have a little thing going.
No, take come a visa, man. Don't want me for that. Boy, me tell you, me soft. Me in St. Vincent, see? Me don't know for a reason me have a jar in my pocket. I go.
Herb again.
Yeah. One little piece of herb again in a jet.
Yeah.
In a St. Vincent. So them hold me for the herb, black milk. Them charge me $700. But it seems as
US dollars?
No. For them. Yeah. Because the judge said it's not enough to convict me. It look like somebody I work at immigration, no hate me, and from then lock me up, then stamp deported in my book. And the judge never said that. So, I go to America, I go to New York, go to England. Nobody no said to me, because I never noticed that this deported in my book.
You never realized that it was there.
Yeah. So I go to Georgia, Chicago now. I go to Atlanta, Georgia, stop at Atlanta, Georgia. One of them go. You were deported from St. Vincent. I said, deported. You know? So I appeal the case and go back up at the US consulate there. But the guy tricked me again. Because the guy said to me, say, American wicked, you know. It's after me talk, me realize what's going on, you know. Because like the guy said, like, they hold me with, and find me with the substance across the border. So I never check. I never come to America with no herb, but I go say yes. Because I said, meeting up St. Vincent in my talk. So I said, yeah, then hold me there by St. Vincent. But across the border, I said that. It's so a trick question that when bring back for me.
You say sharp on that, sir, the last man.
No, man, but yeah, but you know, me not look some of that thing so that me I carry out there. Because that's St. Vincent, then hold me with it.
Try it one more time, man.
Me alright to go to America, man. Me all go to over the place.
Yeah, that's
see me, you know.
At this stage of the journey, Sir Donaldson, what would you say is your single greatest achievement musically, that thing that you're proud about? Every time you remember it or hear about it, it make you feel proud musically.
What are the achievement?
Yeah, what is that one thing where really make you feel proud?
Well, right now the music make me feel proud, you know, Jed. And that's the achievement. And that is the greatest thing for me.
Music.
You know?
Is there anything musically where you not achieve it, where you still hope to achieve something there?
I have ideas about things that I would like to have. And things that I have. But things that I don't have, I don't make it be a problem.
Yes.
You know?
Yes.
My mind may go on it, but the idea is there, but it is not there. So in case the time arrives when it comes in, it's okay.
Looking at the journey, Sir Donaldson, is there anything that you'll do differently musically if you get the chance to redo the journey, to relive the journey?
I wouldn't change.
You want to change?
Out of all the fine arts in the world, music is first.
Music is first.
The only one that educates you spiritually, physically, and mentally.
So no changes, no regrets?
No, that is the track.
Yes, no regret. Yeah. Is there anything Mr. Donaldson love enough outside of music when we then look to put food on the table? If it was a music that sustained you all these years?
I think I would spend my time in the club.
In the club?
Yeah.
You like
Because I did have that dream
Okay.
from original, and I have the place.
Yes.
So I'm not going to make it go to waste.
And you have other skills here you mentioned that you paint.
I have that skill, I paint. I have 7 different skills, you know, man.
7 different
7 different skills. I'm a driver, part-time mechanic, part-time electrician. See, I'm a mason.
Yeah.
See, I'm a cook.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, everything you take me from me, all right.
You're bad with it.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You have been devoted to the music for a long time. You still have the drive, you still have the passion for it.
Yeah, man, still have a passion for the music. Because it's still a record.
Still a record.
Right now, I have an album when not even come out yet.
Independent or you're working with other people?
My own production. My own production. I don't find a promoter or a distributor different, but I just have the album upstairs. I just finish it.
And this will be a 40th album. Number 40.
40. And here some guy have some website where they might establish there. You know, if you go check out Todd's or one of them about it, you know?
Distribution.
Yeah.
Speaking about that, is Eric Donaldson music on the digital Play Store, you know, Spotify, iTunes and place there?
Yeah, man.
Amazon Music.
Yeah, man.
But you're well up to the time, man.
Yeah, man, it's up on it, man.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that one. I'm good with that one.
Just want to put on some more, you
Put
know?
on some more.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks. And the music, the sales are good.
Well,
some songs better than some.
Some better than some.
Yeah,
and you know, so the music, sometimes you go up and come down. So
True.
this time you get $2, next time $3, next time $10.
True. $10 good time.
That's where the money go up
Yes.
and down. You don't get the same thing all the time. You know?
Do you wish to, Sir Donaldson, that despite the fact that you were conferred with the Order of Distinction recently, from a man in the street type of vibes, that Jamaicans and the whole would show a little bit more appreciation for the musical talents of Eric Donaldson and not just boxing in as a festival singer?
Well, I think the public should consider that, yes. But there are other artists out there who they both consider also too. That have songs out there, not festival songs, but songs with the international market that isn't being played either.
About here.
Yeah.
Which is so true. Very, very true.
Yeah, man.
Bigger boss.
Yes,
It's
sir.
a chance to talk to you.
Yeah, man.
You're still full of life and full of energy.
Yeah, man. Still full of life and energy, man.
You're not giving a piece of love, still more a piece of that, and then me not bother you again after that.
Peace and love.
Yes, man. 97 anthem.
People stop your crying. Make no senseless killing. We have got a foundation to build. So come on, let us do it now. Peace and love. We can make it. Comes what may, got to face it. Peace and love. We can make it. Comes what may, we can make it. Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Yeah.
Peace and love, man. That's what we need, brother.
Peace and love,
Peace
man.
and love.
Jesus Christ. We have a peace and love, but you're right on the wall.
For the people out there,
You know what? You know the mind. You know?
For the people out there who wants to get in touch with Eric Donaldson, whether it is for shows, bookings, or dub plates, how they go about finding him?
Well, you can find Eric Donaldson on ERICKMUZIC LTD at yahoo.com. You can find him Eric Donaldson, otherwise you call him 588-2960.
Run the number again, 588-2960.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah, man.
876.
Yeah.
Yeah.
588
Yes.
2960.
2960.
Or you call me on my WhatsApp at 775-068-0653. 775-0653.
Yeah, I'll place the numbers on the screen so that thing. Father Donaldson.
Yeah.
It's a joy, brother. It's a joy.
Yeah, right.
You really enjoy this. You
Yeah,
understand?
man. It's all right,
you realize you're still very sharp. The memory still
Yeah,
a click.
man. Yeah, man.
Give thanks for it. Every time. I keep doing it, brother. As long as it's possible, you know.
Yeah, man.
Keep doing something.
Yeah,
and
man.
I really and truly hope that somebody watching have the ears of the minister, Eric Donaldson Boulevard.
Man,
nice
man. Yeah, man.
I really like the idea.
That would be nice, man.
That would be really nice.
I would really love the politicians for that.
That would be really nice.
More love I would give them for that.
They're not going to hear about it. They're not going to hear about it. Bigger boss.
Yeah.
Appreciated.
All right.
And keep doing it, brother.
Yes,
I appreciate the man's contribution to the music.
Yes, sir.
As we grow up, I say,
See.
Eric Donaldson on TV. from radio, and we appreciate it.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Oh, cherry, oh, baby. Don't you know I'm in need of thee? If you don't believe it's true, then why don't you try me? I will never let you down. I will never make you wear no frown. If you say that you love me madly, oh baby, I will accept you gladly. Yeah man, this is Eric Donaldson saying, stand up and stand firm, we teach them. This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. I will never leave the shores. I will never run away. I will always believe in the black with green, the gold. I say, teach them. One love, one heart, one destiny, one God. Jah Rastafari, the creator and ruler forever and ever. Selah.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!